So thanks for joining today. This video will cover opening up the air box, cleaning the air filter, which was really nasty, and then after that diving into the carburetor, tearing it down, cleaning it up, and putting it back in. This is not a detailed how-to video. This is just watching me do it. I'm not a trained mechanic. As you can see, I'm just working out of my garage, and in the end, I did end up pulling this back off, ordering a carburetor rebuild kit, and rebuilding the carburetor. As I figured out, it was the air fuel mixture screw. The O-ring wasn't any good any longer, so replacing that allowed me to adjust the air fuel mixture, which then allowed the carburetor to return to idle from full throttle much quicker. So overall, pulling that carburetor out twice, I can do it within 15 minutes now. So anyway, enjoy the video. More updates to come here shortly, but we're definitely making progress. There it is. And that's nice. They must have taken that screen out to get into something in here. Shouldn't be. When I pull it out, it's just a box. These JIS screwdrivers work really good. I was beginning to strip this screw off and this screw off right here without the screwdriver, but now it just goes in and with a little twist they come right out. Definitely got to have these if you're working on a Japanese bike. Ooh, that one's could be stripped. Okay, hold on. There we go. The gasket still looks good. We can reuse it. And if you look, that looks really clean. So, I guess I'm gonna take the jets out and make sure they're not clogged because it wouldn't come off of idle. So I would snap the throttle and it wouldn't, it would eventually come back off a throttle, but it took way too long, and so that's why I decided to get in here and open up the carbs. So let me get the right screwdrivers and we'll take the jets out and make sure they're all clean. There it is. It's definitely got some gunk on it, so I'll get something to pop the other jet out with. Now I'm going to see if my old eyes can see what size this is. No. That is a 26, or 126. And the other one, yeah, so a 126 and a 31. I'll have to check and see what the stock ones are. That's interesting. I think this one is clogged. This one I'm not getting anything out of, and I believe this is the main jet. So I'm going to get a piece of wire and try to clean out the little holes. But I cannot see any light coming through there. All those are clear.
There we go. There we go. Some residue in there that I'm going to clean out. But just give it a real good cleaning, or at least what I can do without a solvent tank or, you know, one of those other types of cleaners. I believe that that's the air fuel mixture right there. And I want to put it all the way in and then back it out to 2 and see if that's going to help also. Other than that, everything else seems to look good. All right, well, I'm gonna put it back together, slap it back on, and we'll see how it goes. Working.